Welcome to my channel. My name is Valencia from the Angel Light Store and the Angel Light School of Metaphysics. Today, I will be sharing how to make crystal chakra oils. Customers sometimes say, I would like to use crystals to enhance my chakras, but what do I do with it? I can't just hold the crystals. I need my hands free, and I don't normally wear jewelry. Well, one can use crystal chakra oils and apply it on their pulse points or directly on the chakras. The oil is embedded with the vibration of the crystals in it. And that's something you can't do with loose crystals or a piece of jewelry. Apply it directly on your chakras. For instance, if your third chakra is weak, you can feel the nervous, anxious energy in your solar plexus. Even when one says, I have butterflies in my stomach, it conveys a sense of fear and powerlessness. You can apply your third chakra oil on your stomach area and in a clockwise motion affirm, I exude personal power, self-confidence, and self-esteem. You can envision bright yellow color infusing your solar plexus. Or if you're shy and you tend to get tongue-tied when it comes to expressing yourself, you can use your fifth chakra oil on your throat and affirm, I have the ability to express myself calmly, clearly, and confidently. I know all about the fifth chakra. In my younger days, I was very shy and I had a very hard time expressing myself. Eventually, I developed hypothyroidism. The doctor said that I have to remove my thyroid, and once my thyroid is removed, I will have to take drugs for the rest of my life to balance my thyroid. Well, I told him I never take drugs because there's always unwanted side effects, and I'm sure my thyroid is there for a purpose. I don't want to remove it. I want to heal it holistically. He said the hypothyroidism is very serious, and as a thyroid specialist for more than 30 years, he has never seen it healed naturally. He wanted me to schedule the operation immediately. I just stopped answering the phones when he called because I knew true healing wasn't about removing organs or taking drugs, but it was about bringing balance into my life. At that time, I had so much self-doubt about expressing myself that all those unexpressed words were lodged in my fifth chakra, creating a huge goiter on my throat. I started to use crystals and affirmations, and slowly the goiter on my throat disappeared, along with all the side effects of hypothyroidism. I started speaking up, sharing my knowledge, giving readings, teaching classes. I believe that all physical conditions comes with a message for you. It is indicating where you're off balance. When you restore balance, you release the physical condition. For your sixth chakra, if you're seeking wisdom, or perhaps you're starting to give clairvoyant readings, you can stimulate your third eye by affirming, I release all blockages to my third eye. I open up to my psychic abilities. Now, keep in mind, when you apply your oil, if you're saying an affirmation about releasing something, such as releasing blockage, apply the oil in a counterclockwise motion. If you're calling in what you want, apply the oil in a clockwise direction. Use affirmations that resonates with you and relates to your situation. Now, I would like to show you how you can create your own crystal chakra oils. Let us begin. These clear bottles can be found online or in specialty shops. You can use a carrier oil such as almond oil or jojoba oil to dilute the essential oils so it won't be too strong for the skin. For the scent, I'm choosing pure essential oils for its healing properties. You can add the oils and crystals most associated with each chakra. There's not just one definitive oil or crystal to use. There are many choices and options. I'm choosing ones that I resonate with that are also affordable and easy to find. For the crystals, choose small pieces that you can find in crystal and bead shops so they can fit in the bottle. Before placing the crystal in it, I will clear it first and program it by saying affirmations that correspond to the crystal and chakra. Add 20 to 30 drops of the essential oil and fill the rest of the bottle with the carrier oil. I have information about the chakra on my label, but you could include a sheet of paper describing the oils and crystals used, as well as the affirmations. That way, you are using the chakra oil with your intent to create your desired outcome. The first chakra, located at the base of the spine, is associated with groundedness, survival, security, and material concerns. For the oil, what can be more grounding than patchouli? With its musky, rich, earthly scent, it is the oil associated with the earth, the material realm, stability, and security. The crystals I would suggest are hematite and red jasper. Hematite is one of the heaviest crystals, so it is one of the most grounding, promoting stability and security. It is also used for protection and clear negativity. Red jasper, the color of blood, helps restore one's vital life force energy. It promotes energy, vitality, endurance, and stamina. The affirmations could include, I am stable and grounded. I am always safe and protected. I am abundantly provided for by the universe. I am filled with energy and vitality. The second chakra, located 2 inches below the navel where the sexual organs are located, corresponds with sexuality, pleasure, and connection to others. It is associated with self-worth and creativity. For the essential oil, what can be a better choice than orange oil? Not only is it the color orange associated with the second chakra, but like the second chakra, it is associated with sweetness and pleasure. Orange oil also promotes self-worth and friendly interactions with others. The crystal I would suggest is carnelian. Carnelian is associated with sexuality, pleasure, and desire. It helps promote a greater sense of self-worth and strength. Carnelian stimulates both procreation and artistic creativity. The affirmations you can use include, I honor my body and embrace my sexuality. I deserve to have pleasure and enjoyment in my life. I am worthy. I am confident in social settings. I'm a creative person. The third chakra, located where the solar plexus is associated with personal power and self-esteem. The essential oil I would use is a refreshing, purifying lemon. Not only is the color yellow associated with the third chakra, it is the oil known to lift one's spirit, restoring one to greater power. You can also add a few drops of ginger oil. Its warm, fortifying energy aids in stomach problems and is known to promote courage, confidence, and assertiveness. The crystal I would include is citrine, derived from the word citrus. Citrine is famous for promoting positive energy, optimism, joy, and enhancing self-esteem. You can also include tiger eye if you want to boost the energy of courage, personal power, and self-confidence. The affirmations could include, I exude personal power, self-confidence, and self-esteem. I am a positive person. I have what it takes to succeed in life. I accept and value myself exactly as I am. When I respect myself, I attract other people who respect me. The fourth chakra is located where the heart is and corresponds with giving and receiving love, harmony, balance, emotional healing. The oil I would recommend is eucalyptus. It is famous for purifying and clearing negative energy from one's aura. Eucalyptus balances the heart chakra and emotions, as well as helps alleviate grief and sorrow. The crystal I would suggest is green aventurine and rose quartz. Green aventurine is associated with nature, balance, harmony, health, and healing, especially of the heart chakra. The soft, gentle energy of rose quartz promotes love, romance, beauty, gentleness, kindness, compassion, and peace. Affirmations could include, I give and receive love freely. I appreciate all the love that is in my life. I'm a conduit of love and peace. I treat others with kindness and compassion. I attract loving, harmonious relationships into my life. The fifth chakra, located where the throat is, corresponds with communication, creative expression, listening and receiving messages. The oil I would recommend is peppermint. It awakens, revitalizes, and stimulates the mind, promoting clear communication. The crystal I would suggest is blue lace agate. It helps release fear and self-doubt regarding communication and speaking one's truth. The affirmations that you can include are, I communicate calmly, clearly, and confidently. I speak my truth in a loving and caring way. My words uplift, empower, and inspires others. My words create my reality, so I only speak of what I want in my life. The sixth chakra is located where the third eye is, in the center of the forehead, so it is associated with clairvoyant and psychic abilities, imagination, visualization, wisdom, and insight. The oil I would suggest is rosemary. Rosemary stimulates the brow chakra and pineal gland, enhancing one's psychic ability. It promotes mental clarity, concentration, and memory. The crystal I would recommend is lapis. Its deep blue color brings deep wisdom, knowledge, the ability to imagine and visualize. Lapis stimulates the third eye for psychic abilities. You can use lapis for lucid dreaming, past life recall, and tapping into the Akashic records. Affirmations could include, I open up to my clairvoyant and psychic ability. I trust and tune the messages that I receive. I have the wisdom to make right decisions in all that concerns me. As I visualize my ideal life, I create it. The crown chakra is located at the crown of the head and is associated with spirituality, enlightenment, illumination, and higher consciousness. The oil I recommend is lavender. Lavender activates the crown chakra, helping one connect with the higher realm. Lavender comes from the Latin verb lavare, meaning to wash, so it is famous for clearing and purifying one's energy field. Its gentle, relaxing fragrance helps relieve anxiety and stress. The crystal I would suggest is amethyst. Amethyst is the crystal for spirituality, meditation, and inspiration. It raises one's frequency and helps one connect to the higher self. Affirmations could include, I connect with my higher self often throughout the day. I am a radiant being of light. As I live my life as my divine self, I raise the vibration of everything and everyone around me. I hope this gives you some insight about the power of chakras and how you can use crystals and oils to enhance your life. If you would like to see more metaphysical videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, I wish you much blessings.